If you've been following me for a while, you know that I believe pretty strongly that the foundation of everything that we do financially starts with stability. Understanding your living expenses, understanding your income, and understanding what's left over. Because stability is the base that allows you to reach for bigger and better things. Once you're stable, the next step is to make sure that your financial actions are synced up with your financial goals. This is one of my laws of money. For every action, there must be a goal. And for every goal, there must be an action. And this is where I would say like 95% of people I work with really struggle at first. Most people have a difficult time articulating the difference between a goal and an action. Think about it like this. Imagine you go to the doctor with a headache. Your goal isn't to get medication. Your goal is to get rid of the headache. The medication is just the action. And this distinction really matters because if your headache is caused by, let's just say, dehydration, then you can take all the medication in the world and you'll probably never accomplish your goal. Your headache will never go away. Finance works the exact same way. People come to me all the time and say, Curtis, I really want to save, or my goal is to invest more. But those are just the medications. Those are the actions. The real question is, what's the headache here? What outcomes are you actually trying to accomplish? Because if we build your financial plan around actions, you can execute it perfectly and then still might end up somewhere that you don't really want to be. So it becomes important to be able to test whether we are stating a goal or an action. Fortunately, it's a really simple test. Just ask yourself why. Say you say your goal is to save for retirement. I hear that all the time. Ask yourself why. If the answer is because I want financial security when I stop working one day, that's your real goal. Security when you stop working. And here's what gets really exciting. If you can articulate your real goals, then I can help you put a dollar amount to them. And if you've been following along, you already know that we've put a dollar amount on what stability looks like today. So now we have two numbers, what stability costs today and what your goal is going to cost in the future. And it's just math from here. The whole plan becomes, how do we make today's number grow into tomorrow's number? That's it. That's the game.